Lesson 72, Relative versus Absolute Formulas. Most formulas that you create are what we call relative formulas. You can copy that formula down, or right, or left, or up, and the references will change. Sometimes, though, you need a reference to point to one particular cell and always point to that cell, and we'll understand how to use a dollar sign to indicate that, and a fast way to enter the dollar signs. Okay, so here we have our worksheet, and I need to calculate sales tax. Well, there's a tax rate up here in M1, so sales tax is F2 times M1. When I copy this formula down, we'll see that the formula appears not to work. Let's take a look at what's going on. When we take a look at this reference, sales tax is F6. That's the revenue in this row. That's great. But we needed M1 to stay pointing at M1, not to move to M5. When we enter the original formula back here, right at this point, the trick is to put in dollar signs in the M1 reference. A dollar sign before the M says always look in column M. A dollar sign before the 1 says always look in row 1. Now, a fast way to put the dollar signs in is just to hit the F4 key. Because the insertion point is adjacent to M1, it puts both dollar signs in, and F4 is a toggle. As I toggle, I would switch to freezing just the row, that's M dollar sign 1, freezing just the column, that's dollar sign M1, and back to a relative reference, freezing nothing, just M1. So I'll hit F4 one more time. We have dollar sign M, dollar sign 1. Let me copy that formula down, and then copy it down, and you'll see now that things work perfectly. The formula points to the revenue in this row, but it's always pointing to the sales tax back in M1. This is called an absolute reference. You'll find that you have to use these maybe only once a month, but it's great to know that it's there. By putting the dollar signs in, you don't have to copy the sales tax rate down to all of the rows in your data set. Well, I hope you found that helpful, and thanks for watching.
Looking to advance your career by acquiring new skills? Tired of expensive off-site training programs? Wish you could learn from the best instructors in the industry? Look no further than live lessons. Self-paced, personal video instruction by the world's leading technology publishers. Each live lesson comes with a DVD featuring 3 to 4 hours of instructor-led classroom training, sample program code that allows you to work along with your personal instructor, and an example-rich study guide. Live lessons allow you to watch the entire course from start to finish, or navigate directly to any of the individual lessons. You'll literally watch over the shoulder of your instructor as he shows you how to build state-of-the-art applications. Live lessons, the power of the world's leading technology experts at your fingertips. To learn more, visit mylivelessons.com today.